In Health Source 10 this morning, what you eat could give you added energy, while some food can decrease it.
Yeah, we're here with Adrienne Raimo, integrative and functional dietitian of One Bite Wellness, and she's here to talk to us about how to naturally increase our energy.
Thanks for being here. You brought some examples of foods that are good for us, that are going to give us energy, and others that might not so much.
Yeah, maybe we should start with that because those are usually the easiest ones to eat sometimes. So I brought a little acronym down here. Fast food is one of the things that can decrease our energy. Alcohol, feeling tired from not getting enough sleep. And then the other T is for time constraints, when we are feeling really stressed out. The I is for immunity, when we are not feeling very well because we're sick, or if we have Hashimoto's or some sort of autoimmune disease, that can also decrease our energy. Relational issues, so whether that's at home or at work. Eating inconsistently, such as skipping breakfast or eating late at night, can decrease our energy. And depression. So that makes us feel fat and tired. And what do we usually turn to when we're feeling fat and tired? Well, coffee and sugar, which provide a short-term solution, but not really long-term sustained energy.
Right. My coffee right now is wearing off. I had 2 cups this morning.
Likewise.
So it's wearing off. So now you're going to talk about some foods that we can eat that will give us that energy boost.
And then we'll do a little smoothie too, so you guys can re-up. So yerba mate is actually a good coffee alternative. It's from a shrub in South America. And it has the caffeine, but it doesn't provide that jitteriness that coffee does. Good healthy fats such as olives, maybe avocado toast if that's something that you enjoy. Nuts and seeds are also a great option for longer energy during the day. I even like to carry a little trail mix in my purse or work bag just so I always have something to eat. Maca powder comes from a root vegetable, and it can help with energy, mood, memory, and even balance hormones. Spirulina is a blue-green algae. It has protein. It has iron and B vitamins, which also boost our energy.
Okay, I don't think I've ever heard of these things, and I certainly have never bought these items. So you can get these at regular grocery stores?
Whole Foods usually, sometimes Trader Joe's for some of them, even online, I'm sure.
And how do you use this?
The maca powder, I like to pair with cacao powder or cocoa powder in a smoothie, or when I made these maca energy balls. So they have some cocoa powder, obviously, some maca, and then also shredded coconut and oil. So it's a great option for that 3 p.m. slump, but instead of turning to the vending machine, we can have something healthier.
And you do that. You made me some of these energy balls, and you made them at home, and I put them in my fridge, and they were great. You just snack on them, and they do give you a boost of energy, healthy energy. You're not getting that bag of chips or a candy bar.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then we also have the leafy greens, which we'll be using today. These are one of the most underutilized foods in the American diet, but they provide so many nutrients and they make us feel great. And then chia seeds. I don't know if anybody's used these before.
I do use chia seeds.
Good. Okay.
So I'm getting there. I'm learning a lot from you. You do get them stuck in your teeth.
They do.
You put them in your smoothie.
I like to make pudding out of them, and it has fiber, protein, and omega-3s. So it's pretty impressive.
So in our smoothie, let's get to that, because it's this green color, which I think scares some people away. It means it's super healthy and maybe doesn't taste as good. Just real quick, what are the items you need for this smoothie?
So 1 frozen banana, you'd throw an apple in there. I usually use about 1 inch of ginger, but depending on how much spice you want. 2 dates, and then the juice of 1 lemon, or about 2 tablespoons. So you can kind of figure it out that way.
Mix it all up, and then it's good to go.
You ready to try
Ross, do you want to try it?
You're so brave.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Go for it. Let's see. If Ross approves, we're going to start making these.
It's a sweeter one, too.
Yeah?
It's really good, but it does smell like fresh cut grass.
Wait, hold on.
But it is really good.
Hopefully it doesn't make you sneeze. I was sneezing.
This smells delicious. All right, I'll get my own cup and test
That
it
is
out.
really good.
But thank you so much for being here and going over all this. I learned a lot of new things today. I appreciate it, Adrienne.
Thank you for having me.